Hello. Welcome back to Fighters Trading Channel. And today we're going to be doing the daily market analysis for Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025. My apologies for missing the video yesterday. Got slightly caught up in some other work, but we are back today for a new analysis. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And as per usual, please note that this is not financial advice, but rather my personal opinion on what's happening within the markets. So without further ado, let's get into it. As we can see, we're starting with Nas100. Taking a look at the movements, we've had some major movements. So if you did take a look at the weekly analysis, you will see my thoughts as to what occurred over there. But let's see what happened yesterday on Monday. So as I mentioned, our bearish rising wedge. Didn't think that was going to break. It finally broke like 5 days after the actual chart pattern broke. And the price moved down, but it moved further down than I expected price to fall. It moved beyond the start of the pattern. Now, not necessarily a bad thing, but it also shows the strength in which this bearish momentum that has entered the market is currently moving in. So as per yesterday, I unfortunately missed the trade on Friday. It was a busy day and I had actually already collected my profits for the week, so I didn't want to overtrade. Would have been a prime opportunity to make some good money. For yesterday, really just super impressive work. I wanted to catch an opportunity here at 21,900 per the weekly video. Price didn't get up to that level. Price actually turned at the 21,738 level or 21,740 level and moved down. We did have a bit of a retracement late into the evening. And price did have a break and retest of the 21,592, 21,590 level. This would have been an awesome opportunity to get in. We got some good patterns there, especially on the 1 hour. We could see wick rejections, followed by an evening star pattern forming here. And this would have been at 9 o'clock, a beautiful opportunity to capitalize on the 9 o'clock candlestick. Yeah, right there. But it is what it is. So this market is very bearish at the moment, and we will definitely be looking for shorts. Let's actually just clean this up so we know that the bearish rising wedge finally came in handy. And yeah, now we're going to be trading with the bears all the way down to the support level of 2,700. So we're going to take this out. The support has been obliterated. So yeah, we know that the bears are in control. Where we expected turns do not occur. So let's mark our last three formations. Our last three turning points. So these are on the 4 hours, but we're going to refine them on the 1 hour. Okay, so that's 1 hour. Okay, I would have expected a turn there, but it doesn't look like we're getting one. So we've already had a retest of this, so my next retest I would expect would be off this level. However, we've already had a turning point there. But yeah, definitely trading with the bears. Not looking to trade beyond the support. I think we're going to find a discount zone at the support of 20,700, and I'll be looking for buys from there. However, for now, shorting all the way to that position, and it's going to be a beautiful place to take profits. Looking at US30 Dow Jones, so we can see we've finally broken beyond the range, and we've broken bearish. Please excuse me, sinuses are just bothering me a little bit, but yeah, we've broken below the support of 43,950. Price is moving down. Price tried to create some types of retest on Monday, but it wasn't as strong as the Nas100 movements. Now we seem to be in a bit of a range per the 1 hour, moving up and down, not looking to really trade this pair until I see definite movements, but obviously we are trading with the bears now. The bears are in control. Yeah, the bears are very much in control, which is expected considering the weakness in the US economy, or the uncertainty we're seeing in the US economy right now. But for the most part, if we were to just zoom out, we can see that we've tapped that 45,000 level. We've broken below the 43,950 level. And yeah, we are looking for shorts all the way down to the 41,800 level. Okay, moving on to gold. So what we can see with gold is we are very much in this consolidation phase, but it's a consolidation at a very high level where we are still expecting price to break below. We are constantly testing this 2950 zone. This 2950 zone. Our RSI is very much sitting within that 50 space, which means it's not going anywhere, and I'm not comfortable trading this. I'm expecting a firm break to the downside, where dollar gains some strength, gold gains some weakness, and then we have a strong buying at a discount zone, potentially at 2880, and then riding that wave all the way to the upside. So I'm kind of staying away from gold for now. Apologies. It appears as though we're having some issues with the hotspot. Just give me 1 second to figure this out. A little bit of technical issues, but we are back now. As I mentioned before, this is very much in a consolidation phase, and a tight consolidation phase at that, between 2924 and 2953. I'm expecting a firm break to the downside. RSI is giving me all the signals for firm break to the downside. I'm also seeing a type of bearish rising wedge formation. We can see that so if we were to just analyze this from a different perspective, and yeah, if we were to just analyze it based upon these two, I know I have a lot of trend lines running, so I'm just going to delete some just so we can have some clarity as to what we're looking at here. So yeah, if we were to analyze it from this perspective, we can see a bearish rising wedge formation. Now, how I classify this is our higher highs are getting smaller and smaller, as we can see, and our lower highs are getting smaller and smaller. Now, that being said, it's getting to the point where they're going to compress upon each other, and it's going to become one price, and then price has to break to the downside, considering that it's a bearish rising wedge formation. So I'm waiting for that movement to take place. Moving on to Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin having some drama happening over here. Look at this. Major drops, breaking below support. Not a clean break below support. I mean, it can still break back in, but definitely some bearish momentum in this market. People not finding Bitcoin that trustworthy at the moment. But like I said, this moves in cycles. It's going to find consolidation. It's going to drop. It's going to find another place in which, a discount zone in which people are going to buy more, and it's going to keep moving up. But good thing to keep an eye on to find some discount zones moving forward. I would say use ChatGPT, create a report around Bitcoin every day, update the report, and see where it's landing in terms of where the majority of the investors are landing, and place some small trades based upon that. I think you can make some good money as the price increases back up, and we know for a fact it's going to go back up. Like I said, as one generation steps away and a generation steps in that doesn't understand the value of Bitcoin, it will find its place within society. So taking a look at EURUSD, still have not had any movement that breaks the bullish trend line nor the resistance at 1.052. So yeah, we're still trading in this very awkward zone. I'm not looking to trade this because it's such a narrow lane all the way to the top. It wouldn't really be worth my time. So until we see a clean break of the bullish trend line, so we see the bears stepping in with momentum, or we see a strong break to the upside beyond 1.052, I'm not looking to trade this pair. So this pair is out. This is out as well. So we got this. Sorry, we're just gonna mark these labels off there. Yeah. So like I mentioned, I'm out of here. I'm not looking to analyze it deeper. As you can see, it's just sitting upon the support at 1.045, which is also happens to be the bullish trend line. So yeah, until something strong happens, I think we are going to leave this alone. As for Euro JPY, so yesterday, not much happened. I mean, markets dropped, markets picked up. It's still very much trading within the bearish channel. And like I mentioned, the yen is long overdue for a breakout to the upside. So yen has been moving super strong recently, and it does need a sort of correction sometime soon. That being said, my analysis remains the same. I'm expecting price to have some sort of push off the 155.56 level, and we've had a reaction here twice, I believe, in the past. Yeah, three times actually in the past. So it is a validated support level, and we should see some type of reaction that will then give us a certain confluence and certain assurity in terms of short to medium term market directionality that we can then trade with and trade in line with momentum. So until that occurs, I'm also staying away from this market. Well, it seems like I'm staying away from a lot of markets these days, but but again, I'm a type of confirmation trader that I prefer to have certainty either with broad range consolidation zones or trend trading before I take risks. And in this case, these are very narrow consolidation ranges, so they're not worth me trading. And within narrow consolidation means we don't have a trend. So until we have a firm trend and and confirmed market directionality, this is the reason for me staying out of these markets. And yeah, as I mentioned, this with the JPY needing a retracement, I mean it is way overextended now as a currency. That extends towards USD JPY, and we can see we are sitting upon a very important support level, which I have already mentioned in the past. We are seeing some sort of reaction from this level. We can see weak rejections to the upside. It is giving us signals, but it hasn't provided us with the market directionality signal in terms of breaking below this signal with strong bearish momentum or providing us with a strong bullish signal, which says, hey, this trend is continuing, or hey, we are breaking to the upside and we're going to start climbing now. But I'm not in the business of anticipating. I'm waiting for the signal to be provided, and for that reason, today I will not be looking to trade this pair unless a strong signal is given or we close with a strong signal. Same goes for AUD JPY. Very much finding support at this 194.7 level. So not looking to take any unnecessary risks there until we have confirmed market directionality. And the same goes for the rest of the JPY pairs, including CHF JPY. And I think that is pretty much our analysis per the technical analysis. Maybe let's take a look at fundamentals quickly. All right, what we can see with the fundamentals is that President Trump spoke yesterday, so we actually do need to see what he said there. We can probably do a quick analysis on that. Consumer confidence for USD. Prelim GDP unemployment claims on Thursday at 3:30 p.m. And then core PCE on 3:30 on Friday at 3:30. Okay, let's see what Trump said. Okay, clearly nothing too significant. I need to actually read up on this. No significant news coming out of this outlet, but I will read up on this and provide an analysis tomorrow. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the analysis. I hope you enjoyed enjoyed the, excuse me, flu is getting to me. Enjoy the analysis and enjoy what we discussed here. Please, if you have any thoughts or ideas that you would like to discuss, feel free to message me, and I'm always open to having a chat about it. I've actually opened up a Telegram channel, which I will put in the description, so you can feel free to reach out to me there. But on that, I hope you have an awesome day and happy trading. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.